Happy Friday morning. Happy Friday morning, everybody. Just woke up. Slept on the couch. Cause I wanted to. Daisy May slept with me, so that was nice. Because I don't let her in my bedroom because cat hair. Got a box. Now. And Wanda, I forgot to use your thing. I am so sorry. I totally spaced it. This was only a few dollars. 20, 30, like $65, which is better than my usual $120. And I gotta catch up on Christmas stuff. Okay, necessities. Paper towels. This is a square little tablecloth thing to put under where my TV is. That was like $4. I got the big Karen 1 pound because out of all the yarn I don't have any white. I need some white. These are to finish up my son-in-law's blanket I'm making for him for Christmas. It's almost a king size, and I gotta get on that because it's not gonna be done for Christmas if I don't hurry up. And this is there a picture of it? Well, footstool, because I have, that's it. I have torn meniscus in my right knee that was operated on, and it still hurts. I have, when he went in to operate on the meniscus, he said it's almost bone on bone from the osteoarthritis. And, it hurts a lot. My other knee hurts a lot too, but the right one's awful. And my chair is really big, so when I sit back in it, my feet just dangle. And when I sit way back on my couch, same thing. And if I put my feet up on the ottoman I have, it's too high. The couch is here and the ottoman's here, so my legs kind of like this, and it really hurts. So I got this, so I can put just my feet on when I'm sitting in the chair or the couch. And I think that'll help a lot with my knee pain. Last night, it was so bad. I had to get up and take 600 milligram Motrin. It just hurt so bad. So I'm going to put that together. The legs should just screw on. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Hopefully this helps, because my big chair does recline. But I don't always want to recline, because then you're back like this, and I don't want to be back like that all the time because it hurts my back. Directions. Screw the legs on. Handle that. Oh, there's some kind of bolt things. What are those? What are the round things? Goes in the middle, huh? What is that picture? What big bolt goes in the middle? See the middle? Let's see what we got. Yeah. Pretty sure I ordered the red. Well, we got black. You never know what you're going to get. Got a zipper. What's in the zipper? Ooh, the legs are in the zipper. Anything else in there? That's a good hiding spot. Ah. Good hiding spot for whatever it is I need to hide. I got nothing. Okay. Oh, aren't these adorable? They had a wicked pretty one that was like, the old lady kind of, the top was, needlepoint, and it lifted up for storage, but the legs were like kind of tall and thin and wood and just beautiful, but I'm like, I want something sturdy. So I got the short, fat legs because they're short and fat, just like me. Okay, I got 2 of these little round things. 3, 4. That makes more sense. Okay, wait a minute now. What was that picture of then? Oh, that's telling you they're all in the hole. Okay, I get it now. Okay, so this must go first. Put this thingy under this thingy. Screw it on. I got a futon too, kind of like this, and it went together the same way. But it's so low to the ground, it's insanity. And I got it to put in my living room because I only had a chair. I'm like, well, I want a couch if I want to lay down and take a nap or whatever. And it's just so uncomfortable. It ended up in my bedroom, and now it's my clothes catcher. So that's that. Then my daughter gave me her old couch, so like I said, when I moved in here, I had an air mattress on the floor, 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife, 1 bowl. I had 2 plates. My clothes on my back, and that's it. So now I actually have so much clutter. People help me a lot. The church helped me. And after 2 years, I accumulated a lot of stuff. Footstool, I built it all by myself. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please do. I do diamond painting, crochet, knitting, my life. And thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family.